Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to be organizing my Fidgets because they're all over the place. I made a video and they're all over the place because I threw them in the air. So I'm just going to clean them and you guys are going to just, I guess, watch. So first for my stress balls, I'm going to put the ones I used less at the bottom, like this one. I don't know why it's in the packaging. Weird. But this one, this flat ball, I got the first layer done. Now we're gonna go to the second layer. Oh my gosh. Now on to the next layer. Okay, finished with my stress balls. Okay, next my ASMR pods, which are all in here, I believe, maybe not all of them. My tangle, this, those can all just go in there. Oh my gosh, I have this one too, it goes right there. Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's this recording thing. Happy birthday to Elsa. Marble and meshes go in there as well. Okay, what's next? Oh, this with this will go right there. And then last but not least, wacky tracks. Wacky track and wacky track. And a zipper bracelet. Okay, now let's finish with the rest of the poppets. So this big rainbow poppet goes right there. This dinosaur poppet goes right there. Little mini poppet, and this one will go somewhere later. Don't know where though. Okay, oh, and this poppet will go right there. Perfect. Okay, now for the dimples. First this one and then this one. Actually, this one first. Put that right at the bottom. Now for this one. Now this one. And then last but not least, this one. Now for all the simple dimples, the small little simple dimples. And this little one. Then these, don't know. I'll just put those right there. Okay, and then another small pop tube. Now,